Well, hey, you guys, this is Blair. I'm over here at Mexico Beach. It's a few days before Halloween, and it has just been, we just passed the 5-year anniversary of Hurricane Michael coming and just leveling this place. But I'm over here at the boat ramp, and I just want to show a bunch of the rebuilding, especially if a lot of you guys are thinking about coming back to Mexico Beach and you're wondering how much it's been built back. Quite a bit is going on. But this boat ramp was always nice. And it's even nicer now. You've got a basin over here after you drop in that you can tie up to. They have the sign open, the canal is open. You go straight out, make a right, it's gonna, the channel, just follow the channel. It's gonna take you right out into the Gulf of Mexico. Single wide ramp here. I would call that almost a triple wide ramp. And when we were here earlier, a massive twin engine inboard offshore fishing boat was being loaded up. And it was quite something to see. So this is one part of it. Cost us $10 today and I don't know if they change it on holidays or anything. Pay station. If you're a boater, you're becoming more familiar with these. I know where we're from in Texas, holidays, they'll jack it up to $15 a day, and that has nothing to do with now, I guess. It's $10 a day. That's what it cost us. Just ran the credit card. You don't have to put your license plate number in, but you do have to display the ticket on the dash. They have a washout station. I'm gonna do a little walking over here. You know, the fun part about these videos is you never know how the audio is gonna sound. And I don't have the external mic right now on the camera. So look, we got a padded site right here. It has a drain in here. If you're like me and you have a wave runner and you wanna flush it, or you have an outboard, you wanna flush it, whatever, the hose right here, you can bring your own attachment. Probably unscrew that. Be kind, put it back up. But anyway, $5 for 7 minutes, credit card, and you have a wash station. The restrooms are all rebuilt, super nice. But I'm gonna make my way back to the back here with the fish cleaning station. You guys, maybe you guys have seen something like this other places. I haven't seen anything quite this nice. I mean, the wood still smells fresh cut, you guys. Janitor's closet, men's, women's, water fountain. See, it's after COVID. We can start using water fountains again. Start filling our water bottles, right? This is what I thought was really neat. What they're asking you to do over here is not clean your fish and throw the carcasses back into the canal. That's a big no-no over here. But look, they have a refrigerated station. So after you end up cleaning your fish, you don't throw it in the trash or anything. You're putting it here inside the refrigeration. But look at these fish cleaning tables. Look at these stainless steel tops and everything, and then they've got the drains down here. Super duper nice. And then here's your parking area. Lots and lots and lots of parking. It just goes on and on. Probably to that back trailer right now. Now today there was just the one access in and out down this road right here. They had a sign up, and apparently that road the road over here to the right, will go back through the neighborhood and connect. They have a gate up, and they don't want you to be cutting through the neighborhood right now, which really is no problem. This road is nice and windy, and there's plenty of room for you to do whatever you need to do. But yeah, Mexico Beach, Florida is really, really trying to put out the welcome mat for everybody. And I certainly hope that if it's on your radar to come out here, that you make it out. We're out here on our 10th anniversary of our wedding, staying in Panama City Beach, which has always been our happy place for years and years and years. But we always slip down to Mexico Beach, though we haven't stayed here in 6 years or so. We just missed the closing time of the visitor center. I was really wanting to stop and pick up some brochures there. But hey, that's okay. It's an online world. Everything will be online. So there's my rig, towed it all the way from Texas. We're those respectful people on the wave runner. We're not going to get in the way of all you serious fishing guys. Besides that, you have giant hooks at the end of the line. And really and truly, I cannot wait to get my boat repowered and get out there and play with some of you guys. All right. So this is Blair, Mexico Beach, just a couple of days before Halloween. It's a Friday as I shoot this right here. And I hope you find this a bit helpful. Always fun to make these and pass along some good information for everybody. All right, you guys. Y'all have a great rest of the day, night, whatever time it is you're watching this. Thanksgiving's coming up. I hope everybody ends up having a good one. And after that, Christmas. We will see you in the Gulf of Mexico. Take care. Bye.